If you want to speak fluent English, then stay tuned with me for the next 1.5 minutes. Do you know what's the most important factor to speak fluent English? I know you can speak, but sometimes you don't find the right vocabulary to use. You can speak well, but can't understand those who speak fast. If any of these answers are yes, then you are in the right place. In the next 1 minute, I'll give you a fantastic solution to all your problems in English. Well, in my opinion, to speak fluent English, we need to have command over vocabulary, idioms, phrases, and most importantly, their pronunciation, because, in English, we have lots of words with the same spelling, but according to their pronunciation, the meaning change. Grammar is not a difficult part for us, as we have been learning it since childhood. I have seen a lot of non-native speakers using the wrong pronunciation in English. And if we talk with that wrong pronunciation, then we cannot communicate perfectly with unknown people, and surely, our English will not sound perfect. So, you don't get stuck again with vocabulary, idioms, and pronunciation, I bring to you a unique and magnificent method to help you to enhance your English by learning through American actors without paying a single penny. On our channel, English Fluency Mission, we post video lessons to teach you English through Hollywood movies and American TV shows, so you get the right vocabulary and their correct pronunciation, which is actually used by people worldwide. So if you are really serious about your fluency in English, then you must visit our channel English Fluency Mission and watch our video lessons. And if you like our videos, you may subscribe to our channel, and I know, as a serious learner, you will definitely subscribe to our channel, and if you are not serious, then you may leave us without subscribing. Thanks.